guys, good afternoon. Katapos ko lang kumain ng ng fasulya na natira namin kahapon. Si Damla pinakain ko siya yung naunang kumain. Ayun, mahinangay. Meron siyang inaano.
075?
Yes, it's 075.
But when I put my 8 into a 075, I will be like, I will die. Like
No.
this. I will. I'm not like.
Just put 20 years old if you want to create another account again.
But how about my friends?
You will just create a new account, Damla. You will not delete this, Damla.
Oh, okay.
You can use still this. Do you want to
My
try
friends.
it?
Okay.
Wait, let's try it. Wait.
My mini plus will not be gone.
Let's try it. Wait, where's the account? We need to.
I
Where
want
is
my
the?
mini plus back.
Where's that? Yeah, privacy. No, not that.
5, 6, 7.
Wait, don't tell your password, Damla. Wait.
Okay.
Where's your photo? Photos. Ito photos. Surrounded by top. You don't have. Ala. Where's that? Na-screenshot ko yun eh. Wala naman yung screenshot niya. Photos. Library. Where's that, Damla? Ay, naku, hanapin ko lang. Screenshot.
Why am I fed when I was a baby?
Where is that, Damla?
When I cough, my tears come.
Your tears? Why?
Let me make a new avatar.
Okay, you go there. It's not here.
I will make new avatar.
You will make a new avatar.
Ew, Mom, why's my avatar looks like this? Ugly.
You have to customize your avatar first.
Okay,
But you don't have mini plushie there, huh?
I know.
Okay. Ayun, gumawa siya ng bagong account kasi nga doon sa main account niya na Roblox ay 7 years old siguro siya doon. And hindi siya pwede mag-on mic. Eh gusto niya na mag-on mic para makakausap siya ng mga players.
Like, I have 2 other accounts.
You have 2 accounts and then
I want to make it another new account.
another new account again?
So I will pick this head.
Damla, 2 accounts is enough, Damla. I make you
Okay.
account another account because
Okay.
nauutal ako sa yung bata ka. You
Because
go
I
there.
want my age to be 5, 6, but okay.
56 years old?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, never mind.
Never mind. Ayun na nga. Gusto niya talaga maging 56 years old siya. Okay, 92 years old daw. So, ayun. 13 years above, pwede ka na mag-on mic. Kaya lang kasi, yung sa main account nga ay 7 years old siya. Hindi siya maka-on ng mic. Hindi siya makakausap ng mga players. Ayun yung gusto niya. Yung while playing, meron kang kinakausap na mga players, mga naglalaro, ganyan. So, ayun. Kaya ginawa ko siya ng bagong account niya na ang ginamit ko na na birth date ay yung sa akin para siya dun, matanda na siya dun. Ay, hindi mo nag-deliver ako kay Damurat ng ng lactose na na milk para kape tayo mga guys. Isang beses na lang akong magkape sa isang araw. Ayun. Kasi sobrang naiirita yung tiyan ko. Kasi sobrang magas. Tapos, nagluloko talaga siya. Di pa rin magaling ito, guys. Malalim yung pagkaano niya. So, yun. Ngayon, nagpabili ako kay Murat ng Maximo. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Maximo. Favorite ko yan kasi mayroon siyang peanut. Dalawa yung pinili para sa akin tapos kay Murat. Ayun lang naman. Hindi kami makaalis. Pumunta si Murat sa bahay nila Ane kasi darating ulit si Abby. Hindi ako makasama. Ayun nga, hindi ako nakasama sa kanila. Kami ni Damla kasi nga darating yung cargo. May parcel kasi darating today. Para yung kay Damla kasi 1 month na lang. 1 month na lang, then pasukan na naman. So, nagre-ready na kami sa mga sapatos niya, ganyan. Yung the rest, hindi kami kaagad makabili kasi school yung sasabi kung ano yung mga kailangan. Ganyan. Kasi 'di ba sa atin pag kasi 'di ba sa atin bili ka ng mga notebook ganyan. Kung anong design mo ganyan. Tapos kung mayroong color naman na kailangan para sa mata, 'di ba? Color red, color green sa English ganyan. Lalagyan mo na lang ng cover ng ganyan. Pero dito hindi. Hindi ko alam kung ilang subject mayroon dito. Di pa ako kasi si Damla, di pa naman yung nag-school na grade 1. Mag-grade 1 pa lang siya. Ngayon nakita ko, bumili pala si Murat ng bago, ng Lama yun. Frozen nga lang siya. Pero masarap din daw to eh. Ito yung nakita ni Murat dati. Tapos, sabi niya dun sa kapatid niya, i-try mo nga kung masarap. Hindi siya yung nag-try, yung kapatid niya. Siya yung gustong ma-try, maano kung masarap nga, pero ayaw niya mag-try, yung kapatid niya yung inutusan niya. Tapos ayun, tinanay ng kapatid niya, ayun, kaya kumuha siya. Nailabas ko lang siya kasi may kukunin ako. Napansin ko lang na bumili pala talaga si Murat. Ayun. Nasaan yung bread? Ayun, nandito. Ay, nandun yung tinapay, nandun yung tinapay. Kasi lagayan talaga namin ng tinapay dito. And napansin ko guys, maraming yung mga lumilipad na maliliit na para siyang kuto. Hindi naman kutong mukhang kuto, pero ganun kaliit. Ay, hindi naman, mas malaki pa. Siguro, yung inang kuto, tapos double ng size nun. Ay, yung ganun kalaki. Tapos, alam niyo ba kung saan sumisiksik? Doon sa loob ng pinakatinapay, napansin ko nung nakaraan. Sabi ko, kasi nagagayat ako ng tinapay kasi nga ipapainit ko siya. Tapos, habang ginagayat ko, sabi ko, kala ko nga mga lang siya, yung mga sesame seeds na, yung kulay black, yun yung, kala ko ayun yun, kaya hindi ko siya iniintindi, kasi hindi siya lumilipad hindi kumikibo. Tapos nung natamaan ko siguro ng biglang gumalaw, tapos biglang lumipad, papunta sa mukha ko, sabi ko, alam Murat, hindi lang to sabi ko, mga mga insekto. Ay, dami talaga sa loob ng tinapay. Buti hindi pa namin nakakain yun. Tapos sabi ni Murat, hayaan mo na lang, itapon mo na, huwag natin kainin. Tapos, sabi ko, saan nagagaling yun? Nakita namin guys doon sa taas na yan. Ang dami, binacuum ko nga siya kagahapon ng kagabi. Kaya sa pinakaloob yan, ang dami. Tapos ngayon, wala siya. Tuwing hapon, nagkakaroon siya ng madaming-madami. Dito lang siya sa loob ng kitchen. Kaya sabi ko, yung tinapay, huwag mong ilagay dito. Sabi ko, ilagay mo sa loob ng kasi pag nandito talaga yung tinapay, ay hindi ko talaga kakainin. Kasi ang dami talagang tawag doon, pumapasok sa loob. Ginagawa nilang pugad yung yung tinapay. Kaya, ay sabi ni Murat, naka-plastic naman, dito na lang natin ilagay. Sabi ko, ayaw ko, hindi ko talaga kakainin yan. Kala ko dumating na si Murat, kaya hindi ko kaagad din-open. Nakalimutan ko yung na may darating pala. Hindi ko din in-open kasi, nagkakape din ako, tapos ganyan. Tapos nagkakailag. Tapos hindi pa ako masyado nakalabas kasi nga, naka-short lang ako. Hindi ko naalala na may darating pala. Kasi, ayaw talaga ni Murat dito na mag-re-receive ako ng na naka-short lang ako. Kaya nakaganon lang ako talaga. Wala na kasing time magpalit. Kasi pag tingin ko dun sa pinaka-hold, dun sa check ng kung sino yung nandun. Ayan, we will open it. Tapos biglang tumawag si Murat kasi tiyatanong ko na-receive na ba daw. Kaya yun, na-receive na naman. Oh my sobrang laki!
Why is it only this?
Wait, just wait. So big, Damla. Ala, hindi pa kasya sa kanya. Sayang to. Pwede siyang ibalik, papapalitan. Oo, pwede siyang ibalik.
It's still good though.
But it's too big for you.
Wait, let me try.
Try it then. You try this one instead. Kasi mayroon, So, you try this one. So, ayan. Masyadong malaki yung nabili namin. Malaki kasi paa ni Damli. Ayan. Hindi na din to pwede next na ano. Madadapa si Damla dito pag
It's
pinili mo.
small.
It's too big. We need small size.
Big.
32. Dapat 33 yung nakuha namin.
Where's the teddy?
The Terlic will not come today, Damla. Maybe tomorrow.
And where's the other?
It's here.
Oh.
Okay, just wait. Pwede itong ibalik, iba. Papalitan natin. Wait, Damla. Don't open it. Wait. Ito, malaki din siya. Kasi naman, yung mga comment, bakit ganon? Dapat mas malaki daw yung size ng kit. Damla, you can try this one. Pero okay ito ha, kasi lalagyan siya ng ng makapal na
Okay.
sack. Ayan.
But mom, this one is much better.
Much better, but it's big for you. Oh, ito yung gusto niya. Oh, malaki yung paan. Tingnan niya naman. We need a smaller size, Damla. Okay, you can try that one. First you have to open it. Ayan, okay. Oh, wait. Okay, this one is better because you will... it's also big. What do you think? It's big, right? So, ang size niya lang talaga 31.
No, I love it. I'm not feeling anything.
You don't feel anything because it's big. Okay. Let's go. You have to change your dress because Mitten Amja is in Babani's house.
Why?
And he has chips.
Chips.
Surprise. He said that it has a surprise for you. So you change your dress. Just t-shirt. Okay, I'll help you.
What the teddy? I did not see the teddy.
The Terlic is not coming today. Maybe
Why?
tomorrow.
How they?
One sleep only.
One sleep.
Tomorrow, Saturday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is... Tomorrow. What day is today? Tomorrow.
Saturday.
Saturday, okay. We will need maybe Monday. Or yeah. Let's try. Okay, papakita natin po kay Murat Ajat. Wow, nice. Look like a real mommy. But do you think mommy is real or not?
Not real.
I think it's not real. Right?
Hey, you are.
But it's okay.
He heard his daughter talking to a doll.
Did you play Roblox?
Yeah.
Are you happy that you can play now? And did you try it?
I did not try it.
You try it.
Wait, the case 11 instead again. So I can.
You can talk to the players if you want because you can on your mic now. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm so happy.
Yes, you are so
Good
happy.
goodness, you didn't put my age to 1.
Because I put my age on your Roblox.
Is that why it's to 29?
Yeah, I'm 29 years
I
old.
cannot put it.
I already put it. Yes. It's 29. 29.
Did you already put it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, voice chat game.
But be careful, ha? I want to hear you talking bad words.
Can I say whoever moves first is?
No, that's bad. It's
But,
not bad,
I-
but everyone will
I saw a adult saying like what
don't say that.
and
If I heard you say
and this
yeah, that's bad. It's really
B
bad.
and this B and this
I know them not to hear that you're saying that, okay? Because that's bad.
voice chat hangout.
Okay.
Voice chat hangout.
I'm
What
allowing
is
you to
this?
talk to other players,
Huh?
but do not say bad words. Okay?
I think it will not work for me.
Just try it. I know I never loved this way again. Okay na, Adam na.
Wait.
Where's
do I have?
Where's
No,
them?
I don't have.
No, you have. Wait, let's make. Wait. It's not here, Damla. Invite friends. Wait.
Don't
Leave.
leave.
No, Damla, wait. I will help you to find mic. You did not do the
Wait.
settings. It has settings on it, Kuzum.
Wait.
Nakapanty lang talaga tong batang itouch. But I forgot where is the mic. We need to find it in settings. Where's your without method? You'll good account. Okay, where's the settings first? Let's go to settings and then where it is, Damla? Settings, right? Security. Security. I'm not sure. Let's try.